Iris, and I'm going to be doing the experiment rainbow density. And right here, I have a measuring spoon that's 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon in number 1 glass. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons in number 2 glass. And now I'm going to add 3 teaspoons for number 3 glass. And now I'm going to do 4 teaspoons for number 4 glass. This is the first. Here is the second. Here's the third right there. And there's the fourth. Okay, I'm back again, and I've just filled each cup with 4 ounces of water. Now I'm going to stir until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Okay, now all the sugar I've stirred them all into the cups, and I'm going to add a drop of red into here. And now I'm going to stir it. Nice and red. And now I'm going to add some drops of yellow to this one. And I have a separate spoon, and I'm going to stir this also. It stirs very quickly. And now I'm going to do cream for number 3. And stir this. And now I'm going to do blue for number 4 cup. There, nice and colorful. So now I've used this syringe and I put 5 ml of each color into this tiny glass, and now you see that there's layers. The least densest with the most least sugar is at the top, then the second most densest is sort of in the middle, third most densest, which is the green, is kind of in the middle also, and then the densest, which is the blue, is at the very bottom. Now I'm adding 5 ml of each color into this small glass, and you have to be very careful, let me tell you. Just one move will make it all mixed together. There goes the green. And now I'm going to add some yellow, which has 2 grams of sugar in it. And you have to add it to the bottom of the cup, not the top. Now I'm going to add some red, which is the lowest density because it only had 1 gram of sugar, unlike the other cups which had lots of sugar in it. On my first experiment, I started with the least dense on the bottom, which is red. Then I added the colors in order, which is least dense to most dense. And then I had an idea, and I did a second experiment where I reversed the order, and I started with the most dense, which is blue, and I added the colors in order from most dense to least dense. And then I found out in both experiments that blue will always be on the bottom because it's the most dense substance, and then red will be on the top because it's the least dense. I discovered that maybe we could use this in real world. Like, have you ever heard of a pineapple upside down cake? You bake the pineapple on the bottom because it's real heavy and dense, so it goes to the bottom. And when you're finished baking it, you turn it over so the pineapple is on the top. And this is an example of like food coloring, and since the pineapple is really dense, it goes to the bottom, but when you turn it over, it's at the top.